Alright, back. So I just sheet metal screwed in the inner fender. Eventually I will weld, tack weld and spot weld all in here. That whole gap I will tack weld or spot weld all along. But right now I just have it sheet metal screwed. I have it weld through primered. Good coat of that on there. I probably had to grind some off before I weld, but a lot better than the rusty one that's on there. And now I'm going to try to dry fit the quarter panel on, and I probably got to make some adjustments because I got to cut a lot of metal out of here, trim all that up, so that's going to take some time.